Okay, very good morning to all. Friends, let us start the next chapter, plant maintenance. We will be discussing in this chapter what is the maintenance, what is the need of this plant maintenance, what is the importance, and what are the different functions of this plant maintenance, what is the scope for organization of this maintenance department. And then further types of maintenance, it is preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, TPM, reliability, and life testing. So these are the different bits that will be covered in this chapter. So let us start maintenance. The technical meaning of this maintenance involves functional checks, servicing, repairing, replacing of necessary devices, equipment, machinery, building infrastructure, and supporting utilities in industrial, business, governmental, and residential installations. In brief, we will have to go for discussing the concept. So this maintenance means functional check, whether that machine is functioning properly. Servicing. This servicing, you might have heard this word as far as your two-wheeler or four-wheeler is concerned. After every 2-3 months, or after having the kilometer range, maybe 2000 something for bikes, etc., you have to go for servicing. So what he will, that person will do, he will go for changing the oil and cleaning this carburetor and air filter, and somewhat oiling to your different parts like this chain and this silencer or something parts, and then you can say after every 2-3 months your bike is servicing you are going for. Then repairing or replacing of necessary device. So repairing, if any part is not working, if your any device is not working, to go for it and to repair. If your pump in the submersible pump on a your uh, farm is not working, so you will go for, and that person will say that these are the parts is required to be replaced. At home, your maintenance, your mixer and grinder, that mixer is not working, so if you visit, she say that these parts are required to replace, then you go for repair, or you go for replacing the necessary devices, equipment, machinery, and you will get it done. Again, the maintenance word is for building infrastructure, for supporting utilities in industrial, business, government, and residential installations. Building maintenance is also there. Electric maintenance is also there. At your home also, if you are to see, if you will say now, we are not having that much conscious about it, but electric maintenance, checking the all wirings after maybe 3-4 years, when your wiring will get old, and after that, after 5 years, after every year, you have to go for this electric maintenance of your home. And in where there are the big offices and firms and business, government, there is a structural audit for building, that building maintenance, whether it is safe for use. And some of the residential installations, infrastructure, there is also one type of maintenance. Okay, so this is about this technical meaning, what covered under the word maintenance. Now this plant maintenance. Plant maintenance is defined as a set of activities that are necessary to keep the machinery, the machines, the parts, and the various equipment in good operating conditions to avoid production stoppage and loss. Very, very important. Huh? The activities that are required to keep the machinery, parts, and equipment in good operating conditions. It is not the case that all time you wait for, let it break down, let it completely stop, then only I will work. No, it is not the concept all the time. So here the plant maintenance is the set of activities that are required to keep whatever the machinery is. So let it be material handling equipment, let it be crane, let it be your lathe machine, let it be welding machine, or your small grinders in the fabrication shop, whatever is the machine, what is required to keep that all machinery, all equipment in good operating condition, so that no production stoppage will be there and loss will be there due to not working or not proper functioning of the facilities in the shop. So this is nothing but the plant maintenance. And what are the different activities that are required to perform? It will come under this word, plant maintenance. Plant maintenance is an important service function of efficient production system. So if your production system should be efficient, then plant maintenance, it should be very, you can say, important, considered as very important part of this or important function of this production system. It helps in maintaining and increasing the operational efficiency of plant facilities and thus contributes to revenue by reducing the operating cost and increasing the effectiveness of production. What this maintain, it helps to maintaining and increasing the operational efficiency. Very first is to maintain the efficiency. If you will maintain, then you will go for increase. So it is your maintaining and increasing the operational efficiency of plant facilities and thus contributes to revenue by reducing the operating cost. So if any lathe machine is there, if it is working in a very good condition, no any breakdown, no any failure, then the machine, the operational efficiency of that machine will get increased. Ultimately, if the operational efficiency will get increased, then operating cost will be reduced and it will go for revenue generation increase and increasing the effectiveness of production. Ultimately, production will also good. So if you want to go for 10 items on that lathe machine, you can go for, it will give 10, and again you go for increasing the operational efficiency. Then in one of the shift, if it will go for 11, then per day your one item will get produce more, and if you go for your entire month 25 to 26 items, you will get more. Again, this is just example I am giving. So like this small items and the small things and smaller capacities like lathe machine or you can say any of the facility, if it is maintained and if operational efficiency is increased, then ultimately the revenue will be increased, contribution to revenue will be there. Maintenance is the procedure of finding faults in any equipment machine and also removing the fault. It's here, see, fault finding is one of the different approach. So maintenance, in maintenance, the what is there any fault in the machine? If no, no problem, continue. If there is a fault, how to remove the fault? Or if there is initiation that there are chances, now there is no fault, but what are the signals that particular bearing is given? After 1 month, it will not survive. So you will come to know. Then what next? How to remove the fault? It may be before the breakdown or after the breakdown. See, there are different types. I already explained. Every maintenance is not that let the machine stop, let it be complete breakdown, then we will go for. No. It is before the breakdown also the maintenance can be carried out, and it is again good thing. And after the breakdown, ultimately you have to go for, because until and unless you take action on this breakdown, you cannot proceed further for running the shop floor efficiently and conducting the various activities efficiently. Okay, plant maintenance usually refers to the methods, strategies, and practices used to keep the industrial factory running efficiently. What is covered in the maintenance? Maintenance is nothing but it refers to what are the different methods, what are the strategies and practices used to keep an industrial factory running efficiently. So what are the different things required? What are the methods and what are the different strategies and practices required to keep the industrial factory running efficiently? Running means no stoppage, everything is working smooth. So this is nothing but the plant maintenance. This can include anything from regular checks of equipment to make sure they are functioning properly. Regular checks means after regular interval of time, any machine per day, any machine per week, checking whether it is functioning properly, checking whether is there any noise, is there any vibration, is there any unwanted, unavoidable signals that are not desired as far as that machine or working of that gearbox or bearing is concerned. Checking, if you go for continuous check, then this failure and stoppage, sudden stoppage can be avoided. The general aim of plant maintenance is to create a productive working environment that is also safe for workers. What is the main aim? To create a productive working environment and which is also safe for workers. Safety is another aspect as far as this maintenance is concerned. So if the care is taken, the preventive maintenance, the maintenance in advance by regular checking, and if anything is not functioning properly, then go for repairing, go for taking action, go for replacing the part which is required. It can be done so that safety for the workers can also be ensured. This is also very important factor. Modern maintenance management is not to repair the broken equipment rapidly. It was previous time. Modern maintenance management is to keep the equipment running at high capacity and produce quality product at lowest cost possible. So in modern maintenance, it is not the case that okay, now the machine is not working, some of the part is broken, go for repair and replacement. So if it is required, definitely it is also one of the part, and that maintenance has to repair, has to replace the part. But modern maintenance concept is to keep the equipment running at high capacity, check continuously what is required, and the equipment should run with high capacity and it should produce high quality product at lowest cost possible. So productivity should be high, production rate should be high, quality should be high, and it is also at lower cost. So if these all will work, this is the modern maintenance management. The maintenance should be in such a way that all these things can be possible. Plant maintenance objectives. Maintenance in any activity is designed to keep the resources in good working condition and to restore them to operating status. We have already discussed this. So what are the different plant maintenance objectives? To increase the functional reliability of production facilities. Functional reliability. One can rely if you want to go for 10 different jobs on a CNC lathe machine. To increase the functional reliability, go for it. The machine will not break down. Excellent performance of the machine, and these 10 jobs can be perfectly manufactured by that machine. So increase the functional reliability. This can be functioned properly on that particular machine. To maximize the useful life of the equipment. Useful life. If it is in breakdown condition, broken condition, we cannot use it. So, and if they are in working condition, then and then only it can be used. So, to maximize the useful life of the equipment, what is useful life? It can be used. To maximize the useful life of any equipment, this is one of the objective of plant maintenance. To maximize the production capacity from the given equipment. Production capacity. 8 jobs can now are manufacturing one lathe machine. How to go for 9 or how to go for 10 jobs? To minimize the total production cost or operating cost directly attributed to equipment service and repair. See, total production cost or operating cost, and these are directly related to equipment service and equipment repair. If the equipment is working in good condition, excellent condition, no any, for take a simple lathe machine, no any noise, no any vibration, no any plays in the guideways, cross slide, etc. Everything smooth. There will be no problem. So total product cost will be minimum, operating cost also will be minimum. To minimize the frequency of interruption in production by reducing breakdown. See, the main aim is to go for continuous quality checks, and if required to go for repair and replace the part in advance only. So to minimize the frequency of interruption, breakdown on the lathe machine thrice in a month. So our target should be such that this breakdown should not happen once in a month also. So to minimize the frequency of interruption by completely one machine is completely not working, one machine is under breakdown, under maintenance, and no jobs can be loaded. Such situations should be reduced. This is one of the aim of plant maintenance. So maintenance should be in such a way that very minimum interruptions should be hampered in case of production, should be occur in case of production. To enhance the safety to the manpower. See, this is very important. If maintenance is good, breakdown is not occurring, the production and operating costs are means every care is taken that the machine will operate in smooth condition, in good condition, all the things are taken care. So it will ultimately enhance the safety of the manpower. To enable the product or service quality to be achieved through correctly adjusted service and operated equipment. See, the equipment is correctly adjusted, it is serviced properly. Next 1 month, no problem will be there. Operated this is functioning in excellent manner. So this will give to enable the product or service quality, good quality service or good product quality can be obtained. So these are the some of the plant maintenance objectives. Okay, further objectives, friends, we will discuss in next lecture.